Hey guys, it's me, Lawrence, a wildlife conservationist and animal lover. Today, I'm going to share a story from my own experience. Oh, what's that? A snowy owl? I mean, it's an endangered species and it just appeared right in front of me. I just couldn't believe what I was seeing. The owl's nest, once a safe haven, was completely destroyed. Broken branches scattered everywhere. It was heartbreaking to see and witness this kind of destruction in a place that had been protected and peaceful. After that, I decided to go to the library and look up for information that I needed. And also, I need to find an ally.
Lawrence, what are you doing here?
Listen, we've got no time to waste. We have to save those endangered habitats immediately. I've seen a snowy owl outside.
Snowy owl? Are you seriously?
Look, here's the evidence. The snowy owl, I'm not joking at all. I've seen the damage of the habitat. It's devastating.
You're not wrong. We've been working on a few ideas for a long time now. However, it is still tough to take a real action due to the limited resources we have.
I know, but we can't give up now. Those endangered species depend on us. I've got some thoughts, but we have to act fast before it's too late.
It sounds like a real challenge, but maybe something like the board game we've been working on could help. It's about researching endangered habitats after all.
A board game?
Yes, it actually shows that the right resource, construction, rescue, and research are essential for conservation work. The players face real-world problems and have to make difficult choices with limited resources.
Exactly, and the game can help raise awareness, showing how urgent it is to protect the habitat. It's also a way to involve people and give them some better understanding for how conservationists are facing every day.
That's right. Players get to experience firsthand a challenge and rewards conservation work, making it more relatable and motivating them to take action.
Hey, what about we give him a board game introduce first?
Oh, sounds great. Let's start.
Here, this is the board game we mentioned earlier.
Oh wow.
This is the board game we made. It's called Habitat Guardian.
I wonder what's the content inside and how to play it. Let's see.
Firstly, there are 4 different kinds of cards in the game: items, strategy, events, and parameter cards. The back of the item card is blue to dark blue, depending on its difficulties: easy, normal, and hard, which is shown as 1 to 3 stars. Also, it had 3 categories: construction, rescue, and research. The back of the strategy card is red, have 3 categories as item cards. The back of the parameter card is gradient purple, similar to chance and community chase card. There will be different effects on the cards. The back of the event card is yellow. Players need to solve the problems issued on the card.
We had 6 tokens. 4 are resource tokens, and the other 2 are purification and pollution tokens. For different kinds of resource tokens: food, water, wood, and land. The other 2 will be introduced later.
During the game, players will need to use resources tokens to complete the item cards to form the props needs by the certain strategy card, and then use the proper type of item cards with strategy cards or parameter cards to complete the events, and finally reduce their pollution meter to 0%, which is the objective during the whole game.
So that's how you play this board game, huh?
Exactly, but if it's only the three of us, it will be difficult to effect this issue in a short period of time.
Yeah, so we need more people to join us.
Yeah, exactly. Let me think. Hey, what about you? Join us and become the habitat guardian.